Today I discuss a very interesting picture of the respiratory system. This is trachea, this is principal bronchus, lower bronchus, segmental bronchus, and then the bronchioles, which is devoid of cartilage, then the terminal bronchiole. And up to this is the conducting system. Here no gaseous exchange is occurred, only conduction of the air is occurred. The temperature and dust particles are removed in this part of the respiratory system. The next part of the respiratory system is the respiratory part, which start with the respiratory bronchiole, alveolar duct and alveolar sac and alveoli. So this is actually the whole respiratory system is nothing but a test tube, and the lining epithelium of the lumen or test tube is known as the respiratory epithelium, and this epithelium is the cells of this epithelium is different in different portion of the respiratory system. So let's see the lining epithelium of the conducting part. Most of the conducting part lining epithelium is pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium, and at the terminal bronchiole the lining epithelium became simple ciliated columnar epithelium. In respiratory bronchiole it became simple cuboidal epithelium, and in the alveoli duct second alveoli it became simple squamous epithelium. So for gaseous exchange, the thickness of the epithelium must be thin for better gaseous exchange. So the lining epithelium of the respiratory part is usually simple columnar epithelium. This is goblet cell, this secret mucus, and through the mucus dust particle is locked here and is out from the respiratory tract by the action of the cilia. So you see the most of the part of the contacting part is goblet cells are present. Just before the start of the respiratory part, the goblet cell is at. So in terminal bronchiole you don't find any goblet cell. The ciliated cell is present up to respiratory bronchiole. Other seromicous gland of the respiratory system and before the terminal bronchiole. Hyaline cartilage is only present in the bronchus, when in bronchiole there is no hyaline cartilage. Smooth muscle is present in the both conducting system and partly also present in the respiratory part. Respiratory part, the respiratory bronchiole contain small amount of smooth muscle cell which are usually present discontinuously. Elastic fiber. This is the only fiber is present throughout the respiratory system, both conducting part and respiratory part. So this is all about this today's video, and you can explain this figure in this way. Thank you for watching.